This video instruction is to show how to customize the JB-199 lyric screen and the 3D customer interface. Boot up the JB-199 3. Depends on your option settings, but the karaoke player will usually boot up with the lyric screens and the 3D customer interface. Here at the 3D customer interface, you can see the CAB's title and the CAB's logo. Minimize and you will see the lyric screen with the CAB's title and CAB's logo. Double-click to minimize the lyric screens. You can see the control panel. First thing you can do is that you can press the back G button to change the lyric screen mode. Press to change it to video, which is indicated in the LED screen. Press again to turn it off, which will show a black screen that some users may prefer or may not. Press again to picture, which is now the CAB's logo and will show you how to change it later. Next, click on the tools followed by settings. There you can change the title. You change the current title to Welcome to DC Karaoke. Click OK and the title changes. Bring up the lyric screen and double-click to expand. Again, double-click to shrink. Next, close the JB-199 3 karaoke program. Go to the File Explorer, Documents, JB-199 3, and Utility. There you'll see the graphic file screen BG that is on the lyric screen. It is 720 by 480 BMP file. You will also see a file called Blue 8-bit in the folder. It is also a BMP file. Rename this file as Custom BG. In fact, you can use any BMP file and name it as Custom BG. Next, close the File Explorer and start the JB-199 3 karaoke program. You will see that the program is configuring, and when it starts, it shows the new lyric screen with a blue background. Minimize to the control panel and play a karaoke song. The lyrics is showing nicely in the blue background. However, when the song is stopped, the blue screen remains. Why not use this time to show a customized picture such as your own, neighborhood bowling alley, or next door insurance agent, etc. for advertising revenue? To do so, go to Tools and Setting. Check Enable Advertisement and press OK. The advertisement window will open and you can select any picture you have prepared in JPEG format. The ideal size of the picture is 720 by 480, which is the same size as the original CAB's logo. Here we use a sample file, which is a JPEG 720 by 480, and click Open. Click Play to show the new picture. Next, click on Save As button on the right to save the advertisement setting. We name the setting as ADV. Now let's test the new setting. Go to Playlist and play a karaoke song. The picture changes from the advertising to the blue background. And when the karaoke song stops, the advertisement comes back. Next, we want to change the cab's logo picture in the 3D customer interface. Minimize the screens and close the karaoke program. Go to the File Explorer, Documents, JB-199-3, Utility, and this time to Media. There you'll find the graphic files that make up the 3D customer interface. The program uses the files cabs wall, cell ceiling, and cell floor. They are all JPEG files with size of 512 by 512. We also have a custom JPEG picture prepared with 512 by 512 size. Simply rename the cabs wall to cabs wall old, then rename the custom picture to cabs wall. Close the File Explorer and start the JB-199-3 karaoke program. Let the program boot completely. Note that the lyric screen seems to be blue without the advertisement picture. But don't worry, the advertisement picture loads at the end of the boot up. The 3D customer interface is loaded with a new picture. Minimize and you can see the lyric screen with the advertisement picture. Double-click to Control Panel and let's test the karaoke song. The lyric screen changes to blue when the karaoke song starts and back to the advertisement when the karaoke song stops. Next, consider putting some interlude music in between the karaoke songs. We do this by going to Interlude. Next, click on the Open button. We look for some MP3 audio files for which we do not have any, so we go to the karaoke songs folder. We select 3 MP3 files and click Open. Next, we try to turn on the interlude, but it does not. That is because the continuous setting above, which makes the karaoke songs to play back to back from the queue. So there is no room for the interlude music. Change the continuous setting to single. Now select all or some MP3 files and set the options such as autoplay and last position. Next, turn on the interlude and the music will begin to play. Note that the interlude music cannot be stopped by the buttons such as play, stop, etc. above. Interlude music can only be stopped by the on and off buttons inside the interlude box. Next, click on Save As button on the right to save the interlude setting. We name it as Interlude. This setting will become useful next time when you need to load the interlude music. You can do so simply by loading the saved interlude list without opening for each MP3 file. Next, we go back to Playlist and test the karaoke song. The karaoke song starts and the background picture turns blue and the interlude music stops. When the karaoke song stops, the advertisement comes back, and the interlude music also comes back to where it stopped the last time. Checking the 3D customer interface, it has the new customized picture. This ends the video instruction.